Welcome back to Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services, where we simplify taxes and empower our community with financial knowledge. If you're new here, we're thrilled to have you join us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip that could save you both time and money. Today, let's dive into an important topic. Schedule 1 Form 1040. This supplemental tax form is essential for reporting types of income and deductions that don't appear directly on the main Form 1040. Think of it as the behind-the-scenes form that helps the IRS get the full picture of your financial situation. In Part 1, we'll explore additional income. This section covers income beyond your regular wages, including business income from self-employment or side hustles, rental income, royalties, partnership earnings, unemployment compensation, alimony received for agreements made before 2019, and even gambling winnings or jury duty pay. If you're a freelancer, gig worker, or landlord, this is where your extra earnings get reported. Next, we move on to Part 2, adjustments to income. Here's where you can reduce your taxable income with above-the-line deductions. These include educator expenses, up to $300 for teachers, contributions to health savings accounts, HSAs, student loan interest, self-employment tax deductions, IRA contributions, and moving expenses for active duty military. These deductions can help lower your adjusted gross income AGI, which may lead to a smaller tax bill or a bigger refund. So, why does this matter? Filing Schedule 1 correctly ensures you're not leaving money on the table. Whether you're claiming deductions or reporting extra income, this form helps you stay compliant and maximize your return. If you need help navigating this process, remember that at Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services, we specialize in making tax filing stress-free and accurate. Call us at 305-469-1209 or visit mannoetax.com to schedule your consultation. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips, tutorials, and tax truths that empower you and your wallet. We appreciate your support and look forward to helping you achieve financial success.